the Weather Extreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 10th of January. I'm James Spann. A warming trend is the big story for Alabama in coming days. A good chance we will see 70-degree warmth later this week. A far cry from the icy weekend we just dealt with. That's a water vapor satellite view as the day begins. Pretty good system out across the nation's heartland, but the main dynamic support with that is headed northeast up toward the Great Lakes, and the trailing front will be stalling out north of Alabama, not passing through here. And yeah, we're above freezing. Mostly 40s on the board. Colder pockets down south, Montgomery and Auburn at 35. But we'll be up around 60 later today. Around the nation, the coldest air in the far northern and northeast U.S., but the entire eastern third of the country will enjoy warmer weather in the days ahead. Convective outlook today. Maybe a little thunder in areas west of the state, including places like Memphis. No severe weather expected. Way out west, there is a marginal risk of severe weather on the northern coast of California. There's the watch warning map. A lot of flooding issues continue out west. Winter storm warnings for some of the mountains in the west, and some winter weather advisories up north. And the counties in the darker the brown shades just north and west of here, those are wind advisories. We'll see a fairly stiff south breeze today of 10 to 20. Rain for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. The really big numbers, well to the west and north. The bullseye, Tulsa, Oklahoma, 6.5 inches. In Alabama, the amounts starting to ramp up toward 1 inch for the northern half of the state. And that's going to be next week. That's going to be Monday and Tuesday of next week, 6 to 7 days away, as you'll see. In fact, let's see it now. GFS output. This is the 06C run, valid today at noon. Troughing passing north of the state. A fairly intense low is over Wisconsin. Big snows likely for parts of Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, upper Michigan. You see the trailing band of showers, maybe some thunder down the Mississippi River. But during the day today, we'll see the sky becoming mostly cloudy, a good breeze out of the south, maybe gusting to 25, and the high should be close to 60. Tomorrow, the front stalls out north of the state, and there could be a few showers tonight or tomorrow for the northern third of the state. I don't think the rain will be especially widespread or heavy, but the chance is there. And very mild, upper 60s tomorrow. Thursday will be close to 70. Any showers few and far between, and mainly over the Tennessee Valley. Friday, most of the state will be dry and very mild. Low 70s are likely as a ridge begins to build across the deep south. And the same thing on Saturday, a very comfortable day to go out and enjoy it. Last week, we were slip-sliding away on the ice on Saturday. This Saturday, we're expecting low 70s, partly sunny, no rain. And maybe a messy setup there from Kansas up to parts of Missouri and Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, with freezing rain on the northern flank of that. But that's all far, far west and north of here. This is Sunday. Again, for us, high should be around 70, mix of sun and clouds. Kind of nasty-looking storm forming over West Texas. And again, that looks like a pretty bad freezing rain setup over Kansas if this verifies. Monday, that surface low lifts out. It's near Fort Smith, Arkansas. And we're still dry, but then on Tuesday, you can see the shortwave coming through, and that looks fairly wet as the surface low passes north of the state. So looks like the next really good opportunity of a widespread type rain will be Monday night and Tuesday of next week, if this all verifies. This is the end of the forecast period. Thursday of next week, the 19th. A little short wave just to the west. And again, maybe some light rain if this verifies. But boy, look at California. Again, they are really getting some drought relief with this pattern that's setting up. Very active Pineapple Express kind of thing for them. So when does it turn cold again? This is the CFS, the Climate Forecast System. And this is valid right as we begin the month of February. And you can see the temperatures go well below average here if this were to verify. And we do note in the European ensembles out there toward January 24th, the weather starts to turn colder again. But between now and then, things are looking pretty comfortable. The joy of winter down here in the deep south. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.